Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new hair tutorial. In today's video, we'll be working with Curlsqueen. I'm super excited to try out this 20-inch Coarse Kinky blowout. We're wearing this hairstyle for Christmas and to bring in the new year. So girl, you know we're about to fix it up. Let's get into it. So I wanted to do an unboxing, but my box is like super raggedy. When I received it, like we were literally putting it together. It had been through a lot. So inside, when you open your package, you'll find this little baggie, and inside the baggie it has all of your necessities, your brush, your detangling brush, your replaceable clips for your clip-ins. I promise you won't have to use them until, well, it just depends on how often you use clip-ins, but in my experience, I haven't had to replace clips until well over a year. And we also have a golden bonnet, and I love these that you tighten up this way. I wear this tight now. So I'm super excited. I have a brand new bonnet. Inside of here, we have our beautiful clip-ins. I'm gonna try and refrain from saying beautiful because I feel like that's the only way I described the hair in my last tutorial. I'm gonna do the absolute best that I can. So we have a label here for Curlsqueen. They are letting you know this is their brand, this is their hair. This hair is absolutely beautiful. It has a slight wave to it, but it does not feel kinky. It does not feel coarse. It does have the thickness though. You know, that's what we want, that thickness from root to tip of these clip-ins. I ran my fingers through. I had like 3 strands sitting on my desk, so I don't really see it shedding. It just feels really good. It does. So what I plan to do with it, I'm not so sure about the wave. I will probably blow this out. I'll blow dry it and see how much of that I can get rid of. And just try and do like a thick, straight mane. And we're just gonna see where we go from there. Let's get into it. Oh, I won't be showing you guys how to shampoo. I feel like you guys know how to shampoo your hair. And I've done enough tutorials showing you guys how I shampoo clip-ins. So we're just gonna jump straight into styling, okay? Let's get to it. Okay, so we're gonna begin by sewing on our weaving net. I think that's the proper name for it. The last time that I did this technique, I did not use the correct type of net. So this time I made sure that I got the correct one. And I'm just gonna sew that on top of my braids because I want to maximize on the protection. That is the entire point of doing this technique for me, and so that I can wear it a little bit longer. This technique also hurts less because you're applying the clips straight to the net, and it also allows you to have a flatter surface. Hi guys, so if you're seeing this video, it means our previous video did not work out as planned. So we're gonna start from the top. I have our hair here, it's freshly washed. You can see the beautiful waves in it. This hair has been straightened because that is how I styled it the last time. And when I washed it, it went right back to its previous texture. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna begin by putting my first clip-in here across the back. I'm gonna start with a 3. And I'm just gonna place that right here, stick it through my net. To make sure that things are going to lay very flat. Just like that. I'm gonna go above that took another 3. Five clips. I'm going to turn it to the side so that I can try and give you guys a visual how I'm placing them. I'm gonna go above that with my next 5. And it looks like this. So now I'm gonna add my 4s. I'm gonna do one going, let's see, I probably could have taken that a little closer to the edge, like perhaps right here. I'm gonna make sure the tail is still on my net, but try to get that real comfortable right there. See how that works. And you always want to make sure that they're comfortable when you place them down. Those first 2 kind of hurt. So we're going to see if we can get them in a better position. Yeah, that feels much better. Have to make sure that that's laying flat. You can't have seamless clip-ins and then your seamless clip-ins are humped up. You know, that's just not gonna work. Okay, so it looks like this now. I'm gonna take my other 4 clips. It's rising up a little bit. And I'm going to place this down. Try to place this down the same exact way that I did the other. There. Okay. I'm just trying to make sure that those clips are going to lay down flat, guys. It's not laying down as flat as I would like it. that looks like this. We're gonna take one of our 2 clips. And we're going to place that right here. And we're gonna take another. And we're gonna place that right here. That's awesome. We did that. And guys, I have 2 additional clips, but I won't be placing them down until I take my leave out. You know, because I like to put them, you know, one on each side so we can make sure that the area blends seamlessly. So yeah, I'm gonna start by separating there. So I can do a quick straighten job. I sprayed my heat protectant, brushed it through, and then I got started on straightening. It takes a little time, so I thought you guys wouldn't mind me speeding it up a bit. Show you guys the comparison. Crazy, huh? So now that I'm done working on the hair, I'm gonna begin working on my natural hair. I'll be adding some heat protectant and then I'll be straightening it out really quickly. Now that I've completed straightening my natural hair, I will begin adding those 2 clips evenly in between my parted area so that I can better blend my hair with the clip ends. I'm following the same exact steps that I do with my natural hair. I'm applying some heat protectant prior to flat ironing my clip ends. And I pray that these clip ends aren't showing. I'm gonna go over the hair once more so that I can blend the natural hair with the clip ends that I just applied. I really did almost forget about this section. Gotta straighten that too. And at this point, you know, you could apply your wax or whatever it is that you choose to apply. I won't be applying anything to mine because I don't have a good one. If you guys can recommend one, that would be really nice. I feel like the one that I have makes my hair wave up, so I'm not gonna apply that to my hair or to my edges. But the hair looks amazing as expected. Curlsqueen definitely did that. I can't begin to tell you guys what happened to my outro, but be sure to check out www.curlsqueen.com. This hair is absolutely amazing, and it made me feel so beautiful wearing it, and I know you guys would feel that way too. I highly recommend. And thank you so much for watching my tutorial. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!